So it all boils down to our discussion right at the start, is that if Africa is wanting security when it comes to being involved at an early stage in the clinical development of vaccines, as well as the clinical evaluation of vaccines, we need to be having those facilities that are manufacturing vaccines on the continent. And then that puts us in a space where we can then make a claim to lead those vaccine programs right at the outset, rather than being an afterthought. And unfortunately, as we see across the continent, to date, there's only 5 vaccine trials that have been done on African continent against COVID, 4 in South Africa, 1 that's taking place currently in Kenya. And that is really an indictment, not just on the part of African scientists not being able to get involved, but more so on the part of companies, where because there's little incentive for them to do the clinical trials on the African continent, they simply have sort of turned their backs on the continent in terms of understanding how these vaccines would work on the African continent, which is really essential if we are wanting to understand what impact the vaccines are going to have in the next few years.